At GMCS, we believe in preparing students for success through our Schools of and CTE programs of study. These pathways bring together rigorous academics, technical education, and real-world experience, transforming the high school experience and giving students the skills they need to succeed in college, careers, and life.
This is a great opportunity, and for me, I'm glad that I took this opportunity at my school. You don't get many opportunities like this, so I think you should just go for it.
Our Automotive Technology program is more than just working on cars. It's about mastering the technology that drives the industry and applying these skills in real-world settings.
It builds multiple skills for you, and I feel like if you're a hands-on learner, then it's a good place for you if you like cars, if you like using tools, if you like doing any type of those things.
In our welding program, students learn the art and science of joining metals, creating everything from functional tools to intricate designs while gaining the skills needed for high-demand careers.
I like this program because it's really helping me better myself to become a better person into whatever I'm setting my mind to.
Our Schools of and CTE programs of study are designed to connect what students learn in the classroom with the demands of the workforce, giving them a competitive edge in high school, post-secondary education, and their future careers.
If you're interested, totally go for it. As long as you have, an open mind and an innovation into your work, you can make it work.
Our students graduate with a unique combination of skills and experience that prepares them to succeed in any path they choose, from college to careers and beyond.
I really love this business program because it really allowed me to build my confidence to others. It allowed me to have more friends who are really interested in business, and it keeps me motivated, and it gives me a sense of reality of how I can get a perfect job and have a good career.
Personally, I really love this program. It's a way for me to get introduced to bigger ideas and how to get to know more about people as well.
At GMCS, we're not just preparing students for graduation, we're preparing them for life. Our Schools of and CTE programs of study provide the pathways to success, helping students build the future they've always envisioned.